Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a hat.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, I need to do a proper intro for this for these few days. This is me saying hi. I know I look tired. I am tired, and I'm always in bed and in a onesie. If you guys enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, put your post notification bells on to be notified every time I drop a video. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, I love you guys.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite space. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Enza mami, enza.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
Come, where are you going?